Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe Connect for managing insurance agent payouts step by step clearly. To connect Stripe Connect for managing insurance agent payouts, first, visit the Stripe website. Create a Stripe account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Connect section in your Stripe dashboard. Choose the type of Connect account that suits your business model. Select between standard, express, or custom accounts based on your needs. Next, click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. Fill in the requested business information, including your business name and type. Provide details about your payout schedule. Confirm your business address and upload any necessary documentation. After submitting your business details, you'll receive an API key in your dashboard. Open your code editor and integrate the provided API key into your application's backend. Set up your application to handle OAuth for onboarding your insurance agents. Create a link that directs agents to Stripe's onboarding process. Make sure to include necessary permissions that allow agents to manage their payments. Once the agents complete their onboarding, they will be connected to your Stripe account. Configure your payout intervals based on your business requirements. Use the Stripe API to create transfers for your agents' earnings. Ensure that you regularly check for any updates or changes in Stripe's terms of service. Test the integration thoroughly to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Monitor transactions and payouts through your Stripe dashboard. Keep your agents informed about their payout statuses and any transactions they make. If needed, update your application to support any additional features offered by Stripe Connect. Finally, review the Stripe documentation for best practices on managing payouts and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.